Hey, hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. Now we are going to discuss anchor tags and different type of hyperlinks. So what is an anchor tag? With the help of anchor tag, we can design hyperlinks. So what is a hyperlink? Just you observe. I opened one website. This is one of the website, JNDU website. Here you observe number of links are available here. About is a one link. Just you observe when I am clicking this one web page. Academic when a course offer, one web page is open, right or not? Awards. So automatically it opens another web page, and there is a one more link is also there. Best teacher awards, yes, and gold medals. So in this way there is a one more link. This is one of the file, right or not? So here with the help of this anchor tag we may create this type of links. With the help of this anchor tag we may create this type of links. How we can write? With the help of a tag, we are calling as we call it as a tag. It having href attribute. With the help of href attribute, in the sense address of the web page. We can create with the help of href and a tag. We can create one clickable link. So how we can clickable link? Just you observe. I want to create one web page. This is our program, anchor tag program, and go with this live server. Just observe, this is a anchor tag, head title, right? Automatically it opens, right? So here with the help of anchor tag we are creating links, right? href. So in a place of href I want to open like a so what is the website of previous JNDU H, suppose website I want to open. This is JNDU website. I'm copying this. Just in a href place I am placing here JNDUH, right? So I am closing this. So in that, in an anchor tag I may place here some text. In the bracket I want to place name JNDUH website. It created, right? It created this link. When we are clicking this link, automatically it opens, it triggers. Just to observe, this is the address of this web page. When I am clicking this one, this opens JNDU website. Just observe. Why? Automatically this text will be this text. The text is internally connected with this web page, web address. But here when I am clicking this one, it opens the same page only. But my requirement, I want to open in a fresh page. That is a target. The target attribute. So just target a blank I am using. In a blank in the sense when you are clicking this link, automatically it will be open in a fresh page. Again I am clicking this fresh page. Suppose in a place we are using google.com. Just observe. .co.in is right, and again you check. You observe here this when the initial time the text link color is a green. When you are clicking that particular link, it will be having different color. Just observe when I am closing all the links, then you observe same color, refreshing. But when you change this one, so I want to open like a new website, Facebook address, Facebook login page, right? Facebook.com. This is a Facebook address, right? I want to copy Facebook, right? So when I am clicking this, when I am saving this is a Facebook.com. What is the color of right now this one? So just observe Facebook link. Right, automatically the link will be changed. And again I want to place my website, my copy. I want my YouTube channel link I want to place here. Just open, just Google with FS with Srikanth. Automatically it opens. So this is our link. So I am placing, this is my channel address. So target blank and Srikanth. Srikanth MCA, right? So when you are using this one, totally how many links are there? Totally 2 links are there. Just break tag BR. So automatically 2 links are appeared here. You observe 2 links. And when I am clicking this one, Facebook, automatically Facebook is opened. When I am clicking Srikanth, it will open Srikanth page. So in this way we are using anchor tag. But not only that, Srikanth, you are clicking one particular text, but it is a possible to image, it is a possible to place image as a link. Yes, it is a possible. We may add image as a hyperlink. It is a possible. In a place of text Srikanth, I am using img tag image. So here we are having some images are there now here, slash image images, and I am using NTR photo. What happens? It's not accepting. Right, just close that. So the totally how many links are there? 2 links, Facebook and this one. So just you observe cursor symbol is there. Just I'm closing all pages. When I'm clicking this, automatically it opens my page, right? Facebook and Facebook link will be open. Yes. And when we are observing different type of web pages and some information, contact information and phone number we require to place, so how it can be possible? Just it is a possible with the help of anchor tag href mailto Srikanth @gmail.com, suppose. So contact to contact, suppose contact mail contact mail. Just observe, this is our link. Just this is a contact mail address. We are not touching this link, that's why it is a different color. When we are opening this one, automatically it connects with which one? Mail to mail. Automatically it opens. This is a Outlook is possible. Outlook. So in this way we are attaching. So not only that, if you want to attach BR tag and telephone numbers, right? We can attach contact number, anchor TEL telephone number plus 999999999, right? Cell number. Just observe again this one, cell number is there. When you are clicking this link, you want to make a call, it asks there is any possibilities there, automatically we can communicate. In this way we can create. How many ways we are creating? One is existing web page and existing YouTube channel address and mail to and telephone number. And Srikanth, it is a possible for internal connection. So already you are having plenty of web pages now. So in this web page address you may place, yes, I can. So already in a previous example, like a table program is there now. So just observe, these are our programs. I want to place Mercu tag. So I am copying this Mercu tag address, Mercu tag, otherwise table, these are program table. I am copying this table address. Just observe, these are anchor tag. In a HRE page we are providing existing web page. What is our, this is our existing web page address. Just my table, I am placing my table is our text. Just observe my table. When I am clicking this, what happens? Not file that actually. Suppose same location is there now, so we provide some dynamical address, right? Not complete address, dynamical address like a slash. So plenty of HTMLs are there, right? Suppose you want to provide like a table, nested table, placing this table. Just you observe, This is a my table, automatically it opens. And if you want to provide like there is a target attribute is there, target blank you place. When you are placing this one, automatically table will be open. Means in href you provide address of this existing web page address. So address of existing web page address is possible, and existing website address is possible, and we are adding image as a link and a mail to and telephone number. And not only that, we can attach internal links also possible. Internal links means your web page having, just to observe, I want to open this internal links. So these are internal links within the page. I want to copy this one actually, and we can easily understood this entire one. So copy this, and again you copy here, and so here you are executing the same program, go live, automatically it opens. So just you observe, so very simple. So somewhere I want to drag this one actually. So topic 1 and topic 2. When you are clicking, actually this is a very big page. You think about hundreds of pages there. So when I am clicking the lesson 3, automatically it jumps to lesson 3. So in a maximize, when you maximize, it is a bigger one, a very small one, right? Very small one, right? When you are clicking lesson 4, automatically it jumps to lesson 4. It appears on screen. Internal link. We are calling this the internal link. The static web page we create like this way only. Just you observe, with the help of this href hash symbol we are using lesson 1, and this same link name we place as a name of this attribute. So in this way we are creating internal links. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please practice this one. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.